Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Anagha
एंड आई एम अभिजीत.
and we are food and travel bloggers.
यस, और आज हम लोग आए हैं सीवुड्स नवी मुंबई में ब्राउनी पॉइंट केक शॉप में.
And today we are going to try some desserts and also some savory dishes. We are really excited to try the dessert dishes over here. So let's go.
So we visited the Seawoods branch of Brownie Point, and as soon as you enter this place, you will be blown away by the variety of things that are on display. You will get to see beautiful and intricately designed cakes, and sometimes you may also meet the amazing and ever smiling chef, Mr. Manish. So what we tried here mainly were the new range of iced teas, lemonade, fries, frappes and waffles. So here are the fries, the wedges and some cold refreshing drinks. So we tried the potato wedges that were drizzled with some barbecue sauce and sprinkled with Cajun spice, and these were my personal favorites. This rose flavored iced tea was my personal favorite drink because it had just the right amount of sweetness. Whereas on the other hand, the peach iced tea needed some more sugar. After trying these drinks and the savory dishes, we went on to try their waffles, which looked so amazing. They serve bubblegum waffles, cookies and cream waffles, dark chocolate ones and milk chocolate ones, and all of them are equally delicious. The waffles were served warm and fresh, and they had a really nice texture. This one is the dark chocolate waffle, and it's everyone's favorite because I think there's absolutely no one who hates dark chocolate. These bubblegum flavored waffles made us so nostalgic because they reminded us of the Boomer chewing gum. And they also had some crumbs in it to give it a nice texture. Then there was milk chocolate too, which was delicious and had a different kind of flavor than the dark chocolate. And the cookies and cream waffles had a nice yummy flavor of Oreo cookies. Now let's get to the frappes. This one right here looks so simple. It's the chocolate brownie frappe. And this was pure indulgence. Next one was the mango flavored frappe, equally indulgent. Perfect for the current season. But I personally felt it needed more sweetness. Okay, so now let me show you the variety of things that are available here. for this day. We hope you loved this vlog. And we are so thankful to Chef Manish for handing over these lovely goodies to us, which we opened right after getting home. So yeah, that was it. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell notification and like and share our videos. Stay tuned for more and more travel and food vlogs, and we will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.